Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is day 6 of the 10-day challenge. I'm not going to be on here for very long. I'm done with all the tutorials. I think I'm just going to maximize my effort as far as getting better with each one of them. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Let's get to training. Hey guys, how's it going? Chris from the future here. Just wanted to do some story time. This is going to be a short training session just because I'm mentally exhausted from taking my part 107 recurrent test. So as of 2021, the great thing is you take the recurrent online as opposed to the past where you had to pay only up like $150 to take the test. The test is free and everything's online. You review the sessions and then there's a couple videos and then you take a test. And you go back and forth until the very end, where I think it's a 40 question quiz, and if you fail you do it again. Passed on the first time, luckily through, but it did take 2 hours to read all the material, and then I'm just mentally exhausted because, you know, just to memorize, and my first time taking the recurrent in this new format. Nice to be done with it, be current. And if you guys haven't already got your part 107, are you guys gonna get it? Leave a comment below. I'd love to know you guys' background experience as far as getting into FPV drone. Alright, so I realize I'm taking a step back here. I had the whole screen thing filmed the other day, yesterday. I had the whole screen thing filmed yesterday, and just due to my brain being fried, I didn't even think of recording the screen. This is the swoop mounted GP. Basically, I'm trying not to overshoot and turn prior to hitting the gate to anticipate the next obstacle. Those 2 tips right there has helped a lot, improving my race times. Definitely did not beat my old record. 6:32 was still my best from yesterday. Definitely slower. I'm back at 7:30, 71. It definitely felt smoother though. Let's try to get a few more races in. Again, day 6, and I'm really happy to be more than halfway through this experience. As stated, I was gonna put half an hour into the tutorials, half an hour into race courses. That would be the minimum I do. What you haven't seen in the previous videos is that my training section is actually at least 2 hours. I'm doing this in the evening after the kids are in bed. It's just me time. I know it's a little bit stressful at times, just learning a new skill, but it's also kind of relaxing, trying to develop new skills instead of just binge watching Netflix or anime or whatever in the evening. It's been actually nice and therapeutic, especially during these times. When do you guys train? Do you guys train every day? How long were you guys in the simulator before moving on? Leave a comment below. Not flying so hot right now. Probably mentally exhausted from taking that exam, and my fingers are kind of fried from all the notes I was taking. I am still under 2 minutes as far as the nice for noobs. Flew 3 races, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. Pick up tomorrow with day 7. Some days are just easier than others. I'm usually more relaxed. It's definitely an improvement over where I started. This challenge is not a waste of time. I just gotta keep telling myself that. Day 6, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So catch you later. Bye.